Hi there, I'm Lorna Blount and this is your daily Showbiz update.
And the top stories this lunchtime.
Now, charities have long relied on selfless generosity in the form of donations.
And who could forget Frankie Dettori finally ending his search for an elusive victory in the race last season on the Peter Chapel-Hyam trained Authorised.
And Radiohead have finally announced some live dates on home soil.
Tickets für die MTV European Music Awards hier in London und, aufgepasst, hier kommt der Oberhammer, Tickets für die Aftershow-Party.
Our skin is the largest organ in our body.
The man behind Augusta National, Bobby Jones, wanted a course where each hole would have an element of risk and reward.
So we decided to do a survey of our own to discover if these differing male and female opinions are to be believed.
So, is this just another fad dreamed up by management gurus, or is it a theory that will continue to stand the test of time?
Peter McGee went off to Oxford to find out a little bit more.